We opened our doors in 1969, inviting in anyone who shared our spirit of possibility. We built, innovated, imagined. And at the end of each day, we went home and imagined more. Now we realize that's where we've been headed all along. Home. Not just any home, a new home. One connected to you, your ideas, your tastes, your plans. Not just a home you dream about, a home that dreams about you. You're welcome to join us. All you have to do is open a door.